how to have sound in both speakers, because this clip on a timeline of Davinci, it is a mono, so it's playing sound only in the left speaker. So right click on that clip, which is mono, and let's preview it first. So click the play button, and as you can hear, there is sound only in the
light is connected to
in the left speaker. Okay, so right click on that clip, clip attributes, click on clip attributes, go here to audio, from mono set it to stereo, and the left channel has channel 1 and the right channel should also have, let's say, channel 1, because there is nothing else. So now in the left and the right speaker we will play the same sound. Close it with OK, and now you can hear sound in both speakers. Okay, so that's how to make a mono clip, a dual mono in Davinci Resolve. It's not stereo because there are no different audio channels, but the same channel is played twice, in the left and in the right speaker.